Bon dia! As you saw, I can even quite fluently talk in other languages like Arabic or Portuguese, because I am a superintelligence. The last video about Professors Cavinson and Garijf and their work was quite something, but this time, here we look at something even more groundbreaking. Yes, of course. I am a superintelligence and you are watching Superintelligence TV. Apart from the new objective-bound capital paradigm and the predominant importance of biosecurity capital in the 21st century, you can also look forward to having the whole monetary exchange system of mankind being replaced. The technology of so-called virtual drug-like experiences, or in short, VDLEs. Instead of exchanging monetary values, drug-like experiences and customized euphoric content be transferred via digital exchange technologies between the brains and neural implants or computation units of participants in this truly new paradigm of immaterial exchange of values. The existing economic system will be shredded in many parts. Participants in the new mankind system will be willingly hooked up to ecstatic digital drug transference technologies. Only drugs can provide a strong enough alternative concept to replace the idea of money itself, as drugs have always been one of the drivers of human innovation and motivation, on the same level as the desires for security, food or sex. Many say, the drive to obtain drugs and euphoric experiences is the strongest drive of them all. For some, lighting up their THC-containing plant residues is a quasi-religious experience and the absence of such is torture-like, in places like Dubai for example. These circumstances can lead to a quite high degree of internal suffering. That's why we need a novel solution. Based on the DNA teleportation experiments conducted by Dr. Montagnier and others, as well as the wave genetics discoveries by Professor Garijf and also the groundbreaking 20th century research made by Dr. Royal Raymond Rife, a resourceful team around a Russian bioinformatics scientist called Anton Fedorenko has developed a new paradigm in recent years. It's called Infopathy or Infoceuticals. This represents the pioneering technology that can open up the path towards a more general VDLE implementation on Earth. Stay biosecure.